Question 31. An act which would otherwise be a crime may in some cases be excused if a person accused of it shows that all except it was done only in order to avoid the consequences, nothing was done that was reasonably necessary, the evil inflicted was not disappropriate in the evil avoided. And the option D is none of these. Its answer is D, none of these. Question 32. Cognizance of an offence under section 498A of IPC can be taken by the court on the police report, on the complaint of the person aggrieved, on the complaint of the father, mother of the person aggrieved. D, all of the above. Its answer is D, all of the above. Question 33. During investigation, a search can be conducted without warrant by any police officer, the investigating officer, both A and B, either A or B. Its answer is B, the investigating officer. Question 34. Error or omission in framing of charge is material in all the circumstances shall vitiate the trial. Is material only if it has occasioned a failure of justice to the accused, is material and the accused is liable to be acquitted. Option D is both A and C. Its answer is option B, is material only if it has occasioned a failure of justice to the accused. Question 35. In a bailable offence, the bail is granted as a matter of right by the police officer, by the court, by both the police officer and the court, neither A nor B. Answer is C, by the police officer and the court. Question 36. In someone's case instituted a complaint, the accused having been summoned is liable to be acquitted under the section 256 of CRPC on account of the death of the complainant, on account of the non-appearance of the complainant, both A and B, neither A and B. Its answer is C, both A and B. Question 37. Period of limitation for an offence punishable with the term of 2 years as per section 468 of CRPC is 6 months, 1 year, 3 years and 2 years. Its answer is option D, 3 years. Question 38. If the investigation is not completed within 90 days or 60 days, as the case may be, the accused is in a custody. On the expiry of the said period, the accused is entitled to be discharged, release on a bail on making an application for release on bail without making an application for release on bail, acquitted. Its answer is B, release on bail on making an application for release on bail. Question 39. A caveat shall not be remain in force after the expiry of 45 days, 15 days, 90 days, 60 days. Answer is C, 90 days. Question 40. A decision in a suit may operate as a res judicata against a person not expressly named as a party to the suit by virtue of the explanation 3 to section 11 of CPC, explanation 5 to section 11 of CPC, explanation 6 to section 11 of CPC, 4 to the section 11 of CPC. Its answer is C, explanation 6 to section 11 of CPC. Question 41. A fresh suit on the same cause of action is not barred when rejected under order 7 rule 11 of CPC, dismissed under order 9 rule 2 of CPC, dismissed under order 9 rule 3 of CPC, either under A or B or C. Its answer is D, either A, B, C. Question 42. A judgment can be reviewed on the ground of discovery of new and important evidence not within the knowledge of concern, mistake of error of fact or law on the face of the record, both A and B, none of the above. Its answer is B. क्वेश्चन 43. अब जो वीडियो है वो बहुत लंबी हो रही है तो मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स पढ़ रही हूँ. मैंने आपको पीडीएफ दे रखी है, आप उसको डाउनलोड कीजिए, उसे रिवाइज कर लीजिएगा. तो 43 क्या कहता है? अ पर्सन इज एन इंडिजेंट पर्सन विद इन द मीनिंग ऑफ ऑर्डर 33 इज नॉट पोजेस्ड ऑफ sufficient means to pay the fee payable on a plaint. That answer is A is right. Okay. Question 44. An ex parte decree can be set aside on the ground of. Its answer is D. A and B means someone not duly served being prevented by a sufficient cause for appearance. Okay. Its answer is D. Question 45. Clerical or arithmetic mistakes in judgment, orders, etc. can be corrected under section 152 of CPC. Okay, that is 152. Question 46. On account of misjoinder or non-joinder of party under Order 1 Rule 9 of CPC, the suit cannot be dismissed. Option B is right. Question 47. Order 2 Rule 2 of CPC does not apply on both A and B, means application of execution and writ petitions, both. Question 48. Application for execution of the decree is to be made to the court which is passed on a decree. Option A is right. Question 49. Goods are said to be a deliverable state, where the answer D is right. That means the buyer is bound to take their delivery under the contract. Question 50. A contract of sale of goods can be either A or B, means conditional or absolute. Question 51. A disputed handwriting can be proved. Option D is right. That means by calling an expert, by examining a person acquainted with the handwriting of the writer of the questions document, by comparison of the two admitted and disputed documents. That's option D is right. 52. Who was the first Indian woman to be crowned as Miss Universe? Option C is right, Sushmita Sen. Question 53. A dying declaration to be admissible. Option D is right. May be made either before a magistrate or a police officer or a doctor or a private person. Question 54. A will is required to be proved by calling at least one attesting witness. Its answer is D, all of the above, means when it is registered, when it is unregistered, when it is admitted. Question 55. After re-examination of witness, the adverse party has, option C is right to further cross-examine the witness only when the new fact is introduced in the re-examination. Question 56. In the criminal trial, the onus is on the accused to prove that his case falls in. Option D is right, means any of the general exception, any of the special exception, any of the proviso to any provision. Question 57. Indian Evidence Act was drafted by, option B is right, Sir James F. Stephen. Question 58. Leading questions can be asked during, option B is right, means cross examination. Question 58. The name of the union given in the constitution is, option C is right, India or Bharat. Question 60. Oral evidence is not admissible to clarify the language used in a document when the language is, option A is right, ambiguous and defective on its face.